Hello everyone, this is me, Bhavna Verma. Catch me perform live at Shiri Fort Auditorium on 27th of April. See you there.
Hi, I am Arushi. I am an actress and I am associated with StarMakerIndia.com. Hi, I am Arushi. I am an actress and I am associated with StarMakerIndia.com. Thank you, Mr. James, for promoting me.
Hi friends, I am Sunil Das. I am a singer and I am going to perform at City Fort Auditorium on April 27th for StarMakerIndia.com. Thank you, James, and see you all there.
Hello, I'm Duncan. I'm a singer and I'm going to be performing on April 27th at City Fort for StarMakerIndia.com.